Hello, I'm back with my Cocodexy box. We will do a quick unboxing and then we will try to put everything, or at least set February to have ready. So I will take this from here. And let's see what surprise I have. Paper, plastic. I always save this paper. I can use to wrap my shells. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, something here. Let's go for parts. First, we have this beautiful sticker like this. Go a little closer there. It has pens and it has in a little jar. I don't know if the light is good or not. We're trying. Okay, let's try there. So cute sticker that comes extra, and this one is the Inkling from. That's the name. Of course, it comes with this little pins that I really don't like so much, like I mentioned before. We'll open this bag. Oh, we don't need to open the bag. This is all inside. That's what is going on. Okay, let's go for the bigger one. So the papers that we got for this time, one is Valium. The Valium has these beautiful colors. I like this. Yeah, that's a cute one. Very, very cute. I will see what I can do with that. And then you have the clear acetate with this design. That I think is really, really cute too. So cute. They made really good art with this. Then we have an extra stuff that is these paper clips. I am not the number one fan of receipt paper clips, but I always can use. It's just a simple paper clip and it has this holding one. I think this is a coffee. Looks like a coffee, and then the colors. This is not one of my favorite. Then we have, is this like a wax seal? Yeah, it's a sticky, and it's a Cocodexy stationery company. I understand they are making advertising of their company, but it's not something that I will want to put on my planner, like advertising of what they do. I think they should have done something different for us, not to have just advertising of what they have. The sticky papers, oh, they are just okay. It's like notes, daily notes. Let's see what we have. I think the previous one were better, but it's still something that, and it goes in this way. I will still use, I use a lot for a lot of taking notes and everything, so it's okay. Then we have these are the die cuts, or however you want to call, and they are done very thin, so they're very, very good for to use on my planner. I use a lot. We have notepad. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I have so much noise now. So we have this little, it's like a book with all the marks, and like if you have new colors or something and you're testing there, you have a camera, brush, pen, or maybe pencil, aquarelle watercolors, another camera. This is a fountain pen, a coffee or something. This looks like a little planner. Another with some combination planner. All this looks like was done in watercolors, and I really like that. This looks like a stamp or maybe a clip. Acrylic paint maybe. Ink. Stapler. More planners. I like this. More ink. This looks like another kind of brush. This is like a color sample, you know, when you do the test. Here you have washi tapes. More color samples. Oh, they did like many of those. This one looks like, yeah, a color sample in a paper notepad. This is like pencil or maybe a bag holding a little planner. Another planner. Little mason jar with some pens. A huge planner and watercolors and everything. And here another that has samples and stuff like that. So they're cute. I can use this really good. So I am happy with these. What do we have here? These are the stickers, and the stickers I like. It has a little more strong color too, and you have all the ones, almost all of those that you saw, but you have also scissors, a brush, a bigger brush, you have ink, pencil, washi tape, clip, and a little notebook. Here more washi tape, more planners. I will totally use these ones because when I'm planning, I think this is a coffee cup looking from the top. And the days of the week, I like this, and I think I will use like I did before for my monthly one. I don't know which one yet. The postcard is okay. I think it's a nice one to use like if you're doing memory keeping. And then you have these ones that are like stickers, but clear stickers, and they are so thin, so beautiful to use. And also, oh, I love the calculator. I can use that one for my budgeting, you know. And here you have for different kind of planners, pencils, aqua, watercolor. I keep saying aqua. And samples. So I like these books. I will just say it because I like to be honest and not just say I love all that is here. The only things that I don't see the sense of anything is first is this one that totally, oh man, I'm forgetting something here. Washi tape. Let's see. I see pens. What do we have? So it looks like pencils, pens. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, so it goes from here. Let me cut here because, and here before it goes back to the red again. So 4 different pencils or markers and fountain that also can be used for like just independence as part of the stickers and everything when you want to put that you did notes or something. I will be totally using, like, you put here, put notes or notes in the top, and then you have that like decoration. Okay, I like it. So like I say, I like this, I like this, I like the stickers. Well, they is okay. I like these stickers. I like the ones that are pre-cut. This is always good. This is an extra. This is always good. I use a lot these ones. I already ran out on the other. But these two, these honestly I will not use for anything. And this I will put in my bag for the Halloween treats, like I will do also with this one. Yeah, this goes on my Halloween treats. And that is what I got in my box. I really don't know if I will put together the video because it will be too long. Maybe I will do separate, and I don't want to make all the videos about the planner. So I will be kind of doing one about any crafting and another a blog or something like that. So yeah, so this is what I got. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you have any questions and you want to see the website, I will put the link. I don't have any affiliated link or anything, but I'm sure that you can enjoy to go and see what they have there. I'll put this here. And if you want to subscribe, I still think it is a little expensive, but I am enjoying for now. So we will see how long I have this subscription. Oh, the light, the reflection, sorry, but it's so dark right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.